In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Forms questions. Whether you're a teacher, a business professional, or just someone who loves organizing data, embedding a table in your Google form can help present your information more clearly. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open up your Google Drive in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your Google account. Once in Google Drive, locate and click on the New button in the top left corner of the page. This brings up a drop-down menu with several options. Select Google Forms from the list. You'll notice you have the choice between a blank form and various templates. For this tutorial, select Blank Form to start from scratch. After your blank form opens, it's time to give it a name. Rename it something descriptive that will help you remember its purpose later on. Simply click on the text that says Untitled Form and enter your preferred title. Now let's get your first question underway. Click on the section that says Untitled Question. You can type in your question prompt here. Next, decide what type of response you want from your users. You can select from multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, and more right from the drop-down menu next to the question field. For this demonstration, let's assume you're prepping to add a visual element, a table. Navigate over to a Google Sheets document or any spreadsheet where you've already set up a table. Highlight the table you wish to include, and then use your computer's snipping tool or screenshot function to capture the visual of this table. Once done, save it onto your computer in an easily accessible location. With your table saved, return to your Google form. Click on the image icon next to the question area to add an inline image. This is where your captured table comes in handy. When the image dialog pops up, select Upload and click on Browse. Locate the table image file saved on your computer and click Open to upload it directly into your form. Once uploaded, you might want to adjust the alignment of your table. You'll see an option of 3 dots, usually called More Options, near the image. Click on it and then choose Center Align or any other alignment option that fits your design preference. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your form looks, click on the purple Send button at the top right to publish your form. You can share it via email or link, and now your audience can enjoy a neatly organized questionnaire with an embedded table. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we've added a table into our Google Forms question, making our form both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating!